Assalamu alaikum. Hello my dear students. I know you are eagerly waiting for my video clips. I hope my video lectures would be beneficial or conducive to your study. Your SSC exam is very close to you. Only your good efforts can give you a marvelous result. As our whole textbook already has been completed, so you just keep your eyes on the screen, I mean on my video classes based on various question items according to board pattern. We will continue our discussion on various question patterns like multiple choice questions, I mean MCQ, question answer, summary writing, chart describing, paragraph writing, fill in the blanks, email writing, table, etc. etc. So another point is that you just keep on solving all model questions. I mean all model questions along with board questions, including Dhaka board. Never waste your time. This is your high time, so you just utilize your time in solving model questions. So okay, now come to our today's discussion. Let's start our today's question item. Last class we discussed how to write a good paragraph. So you have learned how to write a good paragraph. Already you have got enough idea about paragraph writing, and already we have discussed this paragraph structure also. A paragraph has three parts, you know: topic sentence, detailed sentences, and concluding sentence. And already I have discussed topic sentence, how to start a paragraph using topic sentence. So now you can write a paragraph using topic sentence. Today we shall discuss supporting sentences. Okay, now come to the point. Supporting sentences, that means developing the main idea. That means in details. Supporting details are evidence to support or to prove the topic sentence. Details are new and pieces of information to prove the topic sentence. So supporting sentences, actually the sentences which are written to support the topic. I mean topic sentence. To prove the topic sentence, we may use these keywords in details like also, furthermore, moreover, firstly, secondly, finally. So these words you may use in writing details to support the topic sentence. I mean to support the topic of the paragraph. Details are more or additional information about something that has already been mentioned. To add more or additional information, we may use these keywords like that is, for example, this means, to be specified, these are. So, in a word, supporting sentences are used to develop the topic sentence. In other words, they give more information about the topic sentence. Supporting sentences can give facts, statistics, details, or examples. Your supporting sentences must lead logically to the concluding sentence. This means you need to present it in some kind of order that depends on what you are writing about. So, to make proper chronological order or logical sequence, you may use some words and phrases in supporting details like because, in addition, by contrast, next, afterward, accordingly, no doubt, of course, naturally, also, before. These are concluding sentences. Now come to about concluding sentences. Concluding sentences gives closure to the paragraph and summarizes the points of the paragraph. It actually relates or paraphrases the topic sentence in different words. Okay. So pull all informations or details into a concluding sentence. It will support introductory sentence, whatever you have discussed in the supporting sentences. In a word, this helps to see how the supporting information relates to the topic. So, in order to write a good paragraph, you have to write a topic sentence fruitfully at the beginning, and then you have to add some details or supporting sentences to show the body of the paragraph, and at last you have to write concluding sentences to support the main idea. Actually, what I said, concluding sentence helps to see how the supporting informations actually related to the topic of the paragraph. Okay, so this paragraph structure you must have to follow to write a good paragraph. Look, this paragraph already you have got this one on my last video class. The internet has become really important for three main reasons. Importance of internet. The internet has become really important for three main reasons. First, it enables people to access more information than ever before. That is, okay, so topic sentence. Which one topic sentence? Yeah, here topic sentence may be at first or at last, both. The internet has become really important for three main reasons. Here important, this word has been mentioned. So we can say that in support of this word, the first sentence may be topic sentence, but the last sentence, which one written as a concluding sentence, that one also can be the topic sentence, because that one focuses the main concept about this paragraph. In short, the internet is beyond doubt an essential and valuable tool nowadays. So this can also we can consider as a topic sentence. And also I said you that topic sentence may be at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end. So where you are getting the topic sentence, it doesn't factor. Just you try to show the topic sentence at the beginning or at the end. Okay, so next, so in order to go to details, next here written, first it enables people to access more information than ever before. That is, people can read books, newspapers or magazines online for free. Second, people can communicate with others in every part of the world via social networking websites like Facebook, WhatsApp, WhatsApp, Twitter, Skype, Fiverr. Okay, so these are examples given here. So in writing supporting sentences, you can also apply this type of examples. Also, you can apply some kinds of statistics or charts or graphs, etc., etc. All those you can include in writing details or supporting sentences. And in writing concluding sentence, this type of concept about the topic you can apply. That in short, the internet is beyond doubt an essential and valuable tool nowadays. So this can be topic and concluding both. Okay, so here topic sentence at the beginning and at the end, both here mentioned, and concluding only at the conclusion. Okay, so in this way you have to write a good paragraph. You just follow my instructions. Based on my instructions, you prepare yourselves, because you have to write, because you have to practice so many paragraphs.